guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Trinity. Today I'm going to be making protein bars, and I thought I would just show you guys how to make them because they're delicious, they're healthy, and they're actually pretty quick. The most time is the time that it's in the fridge, and it needs to be in the fridge for the first time for about 30 minutes to harden up, and then the second time for about another 30 minutes to an hour. So that's basically the longest time, but everything else is super quick. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so here are the things you need. You need old-fashioned oats, right here. You need honey, peanut butter, chocolate chips. You do not have to add the chocolate chips. That's optional. And butter. And then you also need to heat up your, you can use a stove top, but our stove top does not work right now, so we're using a crock pot, and we have it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And here is all the measurements that you will need. You will need a 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, a 1/2 cup, and 1 cup. So, the ingredients, or the stirring things you will need is a wooden spoon, and a rubber spatula, and a spoon. So, the first thing you want to do is you just want to add your butter, which you will need 1/4 cup of butter.
Butter from a local food co-op. So this is raw butter, and it does not come in sticks.
So now you just want to go ahead and pour your butter in there.
And I would go ahead and shut it off now because it's sizzling.
Now it's heated up. All we need is to get it heated up. So I'm going to use different spoons that I'll pull it off. So I'm just going to pull out all my spoons. Alright, the next thing you're going to want to use is 1/3 cup honey. Pour all that nice gooey stuff in there. If you want to get up close, like right here. There you go. That is 1/3 cup of butter.
Honey,
sorry. And then you're just going to want to pour the honey in there.
I'm going to say something real quick, because what we're doing is just wanting to melt our liquid, our stuff for our, what do we want to call it? Our mixture that we pour over the oats. We're just melting this stuff together.
Alright.
Alright.
And now we are going to just set this stuff aside. And now it's time for peanut butter. 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Alright. I'm going to pour all that peanut butter in there. The peanut butter is pretty hard to get out.
Always use a spatula too.
Alright, so there's that. Okay, so now that that mixture is in there, we are going to add the chocolate chips, and then we're going to mix it up, and then I'll show you guys what to do with the oats. That will be our dry thing. And with these, kind of just sprinkle.
So you're not measuring it, you just kind of dump some in there?
Yeah. Alright. And mix this stuff in here. And now we're going to turn this back on.
I would just put it on 150. Maybe just stir it a little bit. And I'm going to shut it.
Alright, so our consistent, our batter mixture kind of thing is smooth. So now you want to take about this big of a mixing bowl, And you want to take your oats. Cup is going to come in handy because you need 2 cups of oats. Alright, so we're going to do 1.5 cups. Our oats in here. And now our consistency is good with this. And so now we're going to just unplug our crock pot. And we're going to pour that into there. I'd recommend having an adult or a friend or a sibling help you do this because this is hard to do it.
Face this way.
And make sure that it's getting into the bowl. So I'm going to have my mom, or actually, Isaiah. I'm going to have my brother help me. I need your help. Wait.
So we get the gist that he's trying to get all the chocolate in there.
Alright, so we just got the mixture out of the pan. And what you just want to do is you just kind of want to mix this and make sure all of the chocolate is coated. I like to bring it under and flip it over. And mix it all up in there. And if you have your hands washed, which I will probably wash my hands for a second, you can use your hands after to really get all of the chocolate in there. Alright guys, so it has been a half an hour. The mixture is nice and thick and hard. So now now we have our pan. I don't know what size this is. Go ahead and put that stuff on. Just put it all in the pan.
Put it in the pan!
Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and flatten all this out.
Flatten it out!
So I'm going to bring this over to the table so I can do this better.
To the table!
Stop. Right. What are you doing?
I smash it, I push it, I press it into the corners, I make it look pretty.
You sound like Bert.
Fantastic.
I birdified.
We got a funky family. Alright, so that is it. And now you just put it in the refrigerator until dinner time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next
video.
Bye!
How are they, Trin?
They're so good.
Awesome.
I like them too.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe, and go watch our other videos.